Hi, I want to show you how to insert SIM card and check mobile settings on Google Pixel 9a. So, firstly, to insert SIM card, you need to take this tool, which is called a ejector and goes in a complex with the device. If you lost it, don't worry, this is really cheap tool and you can find it almost everywhere. Or instead of this, you can try to use a needle. But be careful because you might damage a slot. Now take a look at the bottom of the phone. Here you'll see this SIM tree and this little hole in it. Do not confuse it with this hole, which is microphone. You need to take your ejector and place in this one in the SIM tree. Now slightly press like that till this slot will pop up and remove it using your nails. Great. Now you should see space for the SIM card. So take it and place with chip side upwards like that. Now carefully put it back in the phone and make sure that those holes matches and close the SIM tree completely. If something went wrong, you can repeat the process, so make sure that it is in the place. Then hold it with your finger and put it back in the phone. Great. And now we can open settings, find network and internet, and tap on SIMs. Here you should see your phone number as well as network provider, an option to use mobile data. Additionally, you can click on Add SIM and from here set up an eSIM because this phone supports only one physical SIM card and one eSIM. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.